Welcome to communication skills session. Yesterday we have dealt with first part of communication skills. That is, we have dealt with a small story about ant and grasshopper. Now what is the answer in which way you need to explain that? Let me explain. If you have confidently explained for yourself, that is well and good, but I did not receive any WhatsApp message or your voice on my mobile. So I'm coming back to you. We should give the explanation this way. This is a story about an ant and a grasshopper. What we learn about ant is always active. Ant is having good discipline. Ant is not selfish and keeps on going for searching food. Ant has future plans. Now, coming to grasshopper. Grasshopper is a flying insect. It has no future plans. Whatever is the present moment itself is complete. It has no action plan, no discipline. So there was a conversation between an ant and a grasshopper. Grasshopper, while flying, saw an ant collecting food and saving it. Grass, Grasshopper asked ant, why you are working hard in this summer instead of enjoying and entertaining? Ant replied, saying that this is the time for me to store the food because the coming seasons will be very hard to move outside. Grasshopper replied, stating that forget about everything, enjoy for the moment. Practically, Ant neglected, omitted, and deleted everything of Grasshopper and started and collected its food. When the winter season came, Grasshopper had no opportunity and it approached Ant for want of food. Then Ant replied Grasshopper, saying that we need to have future plans. Without future plan, it is difficult to survive in this world. This is the moral of the story. Thank you.